Hello guys, good evening. Today I'm going to present present simple. My name is Jorge and let's start. Okay, present simple. I will start showing you what are the different uses. Three to be more specific. Okay, three routines and habits, facts or general truth, and permanent states. Okay? Now, talking about routines and habits, what is a routine and what is a habit? What's the difference between both? Well, obviously, everybody knows that a routine is an activity, okay, which is done every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, until Sunday, okay? A routine. Not all day, but every day, okay? And habits are activities which are done by a period of time. For example, every Sunday, twice a week, twice a month, three times a year, etc. So they are habits because they are done by a period of time. Let's see some examples. We have I brush my teeth every day. If I say every day is from Monday to Sunday, okay? I do this activity, brush my teeth. Yeah? Okay, so this is a routine. Yeah? Okay? And now we have Steve plays tennis on Sunday. So only Sundays he does this activity. So this is a habit. Okay, so you know what's the difference between routines and habit? Yeah, a routine is for every day and habit is for a period of time. But remember, they are constant. They are constant. Okay? Now, facts and general truth. We have, for example, cheetahs are very fast or run very fast. Okay? Everybody knows that. Everybody knows that cheetah probably is the fastest animal in the world, okay, according to the experts, okay, and everybody knows that the cheetah for lots of people is the fastest animal in the world. And also we have a general truth or a physical law. Water boils 100 degrees centigrades, okay, it's a physical law, okay. Now, permanent states. In permanent states, obviously, we talk about permanent activities, like to live in a place, is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 4 weeks a month, 12 months a year, etc. So, for example, Brianna and Luisa live in London. Okay, so here we have three different uses of present simple. There are more uses, of course, but what we're going to talk today is this or are these three ones. Okay. Secondly, we're going to see structures and forms. Okay, we have three different forms, as you know: affirmative, negative, and interrogative form. Okay. So I divided the subject pronouns in two main groups, okay? In two main groups. The groups of I, you, we, they, and the group of he, she, it. But why? Why? Well, I decide to do this because the conjugations are simply two. It's not like in Spanish. In Spanish, it's a little bit difficult. Okay, we have more conjugations to learn. In English, we have only two if we talk about present simple. Okay, so what do I use with I, you, we, and they? Play. So we use the infinitive form of the verb, the base form of the verb. Okay, so I play soccer, you play soccer, we play soccer, and they play soccer. Okay, so with all of this, we don't change anything in the verb in present simple tense. Okay, but what about he, she, it? We use a change here. He plays with a ball. Okay, we use the letter S. It doesn't mean that it's plural. It's part of the grammar. It's part of the structure to add the letter S. But it doesn't mean that it's future. Okay, it's not future. Okay, she plays with a ball. It plays with a ball. Okay, now we have a change here. In negative and interrogative form, we need to remember two special words. Okay? Two special words. The use of do and does. Okay? In negative, obviously, we use the negative or a word which negate, okay, the sentence. Okay? For example, I don't work. I don't work because of coronavirus. I don't work. Okay? So, I don't work. I, you, we, and they, we use don't. And you remember we have two groups? What happened with the second group? He, she, it. We use does. Okay? So, when I say I don't work, you don't work, we don't work, they don't work, in he, she, it, or with the he, she, it form, we say he doesn't work, she doesn't work, or it doesn't work. Okay? We use doesn't or don't in negative. And what about interrogative? Interrogative, well, we change positions, okay? We put the auxiliary verb first of the sentence, okay? And the second is the same, okay? Do I work? Do you work? Do we work? Do they work? Okay? And what happened with the others? Does he work? Does she work? Does it work? Okay? Obviously here we have extra points because it's part of the complement, okay? Well, I don't have space enough to write a complement, that's why I decided to use it. Okay? One very important part, I use work and I use work. So doesn't, we don't use S anymore. Okay? Pay attention. When I use does, doesn't, or does, the verb goes in the same form. Okay? In the same form. All right? Well, this is all for today. I will make another video explaining more detail about this part, okay? Because it's necessary to know what is the spelling for this part and what are probably extra uses of this. For example, the answers. How can make an answer of these questions, okay? Well, see you next time. Thank you very much.